guys, today I'm going to show you how to increase your gram. Okay, we have one is we go to smart contract and you sign for smart contract, but in this case I already signed. So when you want sign, you get like a 3 gram for signing. You see? Okay, another one is you can watch video. Okay, you can watch video. In the video that you watch, will you get like a 1 gram or 0.1 like that. You see? And then you create your video. Okay? When you create your video, you will get like a 5.0 gram. This is very easy to get. So guys, I hope you practice and practice more, so you will get your gram free as soon, and you can exchange your gram to the money. That's all. Thank you guys.